Okay, so it's time for you to clean up, and I'm going to show you how to make this as fast as possible. The first thing you're going to do is scrape away any extra residue. Just makes it go a little faster. You can add that to your slip bucket. And then you're going to use the scrubby. The scrubby is going to say, we're going to call this once for the chunks. And you can get rid of all the stuff that's stuck to the table. And then the second step is to get rid of all of the goo. So this is 2 for the goo. And you're going to grab a microfiber cloth or a washcloth, and you're going to remove all of the gooey, slimy stuff. Fold your cloth over and do it again. Then the last thing, or the third thing you're going to do, is take a damp paper towel, and you're going to go 3 for the dust. Wipe your cloth, flip your cloth over. And then the last one is 4 to sanitize. This process took me less than 2 minutes.